Black carbon trails there, and it goes all the way there. That's another one probably. I did see yesterday, first time in my life, how it was black in the white. So they go with this black shit. They're up, we have a plane. He don't spray, I think. But they spray a lot here. A lot is just the first name. If you check this guy out, you understand what I mean. Check this out. And over there it's a lithium bomb. There. It's all pink in it. And that doesn't look normal. Look at this fog. Hazy fog. And fucking toxins all the air. It's even green in it. This is our air we breathe. Fuck's sake. And there is green as well. Green. Shit. Now you can see this stripe clearly. That's one there. It's from a plane. For sure. I did see two over there as well. But the clouds is... check it out. It's so fucking green, purple. Shitty. Incredible. And this, I think, it's all the way over us here. Really fucking awful. Darken it, get even worse. You can see the lithium pink shit there. Bless you guys from Majorca. Here you see the stripe, the black one. Yeah, it's chemtrail. I heard a plane all day. And we have big hails like peas. I think it's big, but it rained so much. And we were up in the mountain that time. Those small thin roads with curves, a lot of them. Take care, guys.